Okay, hello everyone. Guys, we're looking at the exit ticket now, okay? And we're going to factor these quadratics. The nice thing about these is that there's nothing in front of this n squared. A is 1. So what we can do is go, what I call go straight for the answer. Because we know we got these brackets. There's going to be two linear factors I'm going to put in here. And the n always goes here. The n or the x or whatever that is, that just goes there, just put it there. This first sign, this plus, whatever the first sign is, just put it here. All right, this second sign is the key sign, that one right there. That one tells us that these two signs in our factors are the same. So they're both plus. Now I just have to find two numbers. I multiply them together, I get 4. When I add them together, I get 5. Well, obviously, guys, it's 1 times 4. And it's not 2 times 2, that equals 4. It has to equal 5. It's 1 and 4. Just put the little one here and the big one here. Always least goes last. All right, least goes last. And I understand these are in a different order, so what? That's the same answer, it's C, okay? All right, number 2. Again, nothing in front of the x squared, so go right for the answer. Make your brackets, your parentheses. Put the x right here, that's where it goes, put it there. Now this first sign right here is a negative, so just put it right there. But this second sign, this one right there, that tells me these two signs are different. So this one must be a plus. All right, factor this 10. It's 1 times 10 or 2 times 5. What I'm looking for is which of these pairs, now watch, when I subtract them, I get 9. Use this sign. When I subtract them, I get 9. Well, of course, 1 or 10 minus 1 is 9. Just make sure, please listen, least goes last. The little one goes here and the big one goes here. That's so the big one picks up that negative sign. Okay, so we end up with negative 9 left over when I add the positive 1 to it. Okay? Keep going. Number 3. Go straight for the answer again. Nothing in front of the n squared, okay? Make my parentheses. I put the n right here. The first sign, the plus, I put it right there. That second sign, that one, tells me these signs are the same. So this one must be a plus. All right, 5 again is 1 and 5. 1 times 5 is 5. It's the only thing I can use is 1 and 5. And they add up, they get 6. That's it. And again, if they're flipped around like this, so what? All right. All right, number 4. Again, nothing in front of the x squared. I can go for the answer. Straight for the answer. X goes here and here. Again, plus sign goes here. And because that's a plus, they're both plus. 36 can be 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 6 times 6. Okay, they're all 36. I'm looking for which of these pairs. When I add them together, I get 13. I add them together, I get 13. Well, that's right there. 4 plus 9 is 18. Again, as a habit, put the little one last. When the signs are the same, it doesn't matter. But just as a habit, put the least goes last, okay? Even if it's, different here. All right, number 5. Uh-oh. Number 5 is a 2 in front of this x squared. I can't go straight for the answer. However, the 2 is a common factor. Take it out. Take the 2 out. I got x squared plus 9x plus 18. All right, I divided everything here by 2 when I took the 2 out. Okay, now this quadratic right here, I can factor it. There's nothing in front of the x squared. But don't forget about the 2. Put the 2 there. But then go ahead and make your parentheses. The x goes here again, each time. That plus sign goes here. And this sign tells you they're both the same. 18 can be 1 and 18. 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Okay. I'm looking for which of these factored pairs. When I add them together, I get 9. Well, it's 3 and 6. Put the least last. Put that one right there, okay? Number 7, again, I'm going to move fast. You guys can always stop the video. I just got to get it in a certain time or it won't record. All right, that there's a 3 in front, I got to get rid of it. I cannot factor it right now. So divide everything by 3 and take the 3 out. That leaves me with p squared minus p minus, let's see, 5 goes in there. Remainder of 1, 18, 6, 56. Okay? Now I can factor this guy. There's nothing in front of that p squared. I can factor it now. So make my parentheses. These are my 2 factors. These are linear factors. Put the p here. Right, that negative sign goes right there. That negative tells me that these 2 signs are different. This must be a plus. And 56, guys, is 1 times 56, 2 times 228, 3, 4. Oh, wait a minute. I got it. It's 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. I guess I could go 4 times 15. 4 times 14. But it's this one right here. Because when I subtract them, I get 1. Again, you kind of go backwards here. Subtract them, I get 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now make sure you put the 7 with the plus and the 8 with the minus. The least goes last. Put that one here. You need the 8 to pick up the negative, so there's a negative left in the middle. All right? Number 7. Looks like there's a 4 here, so take out the 4. N squared minus n minus, let's see, 4 goes into 25 times, remainder of 2, 24 to 56. Looks like we got the same thing. When I subtract them, I get 1. So it's going to be this very similar answer. N goes here. This is negative. That sign, whatever it is, I just put it in the first factor. Because that sign is going to be in here somewhere. Just put it in the first one. But that sign, the second sign, tells me these are different. So this must be a plus. And again, it's 7 and 8. Right? Because the difference between them is 1. When I subtract them, I get 1. All right, last one. Number 8. So it's got a 3 in front, so take out the 3. That leaves x squared. Plus, I guess it's 13x. Plus 3 goes into 12 4 times 42. Huh, like that. All right. Nothing in front of the x squared. Now I can factor it. X goes here. They're both plus. 42 is 1 times 42. 2 times 21. 3. Oh, I got it. It's 6 and 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. Again, once you find it, just go for it. You don't have to write all these out. Just find it. 6 plus 7 is 13. And 6 times 7 is 42. Okay? Guys, that's it. I got to stop the video so it doesn't go, it'll record. I hope you guys are okay. Thank you.